Today's session is about the application of derivatives in economics and commerce. In economics and commerce, change in one variable corresponding to another variable is based on average concept, marginal concept. Average concept. The change in the dependent variable say y corresponding to one unit change in the independent variable x in its range. Marginal concept. Instantaneous rate of change in the function. Concept of marginalism in economics is equivalent to the concept of slope in mathematics. Average cost and marginal cost. Total cost TC, the cost of production of a commodity depends upon fixed cost, interest, rent, wage of permanent staff extra, and variable cost, those which vary with output, for example, raw materials and wages of casual labor. Thus, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Average cost AC. It is obtained by dividing the cost C, which is the function of output f of x, by per unit of output x. Average cost AC is equal to C by x, which is equal to f of x by x. Marginal cost MC. Marginal cost is the first derivative of total cost TC with respect to the production of unit commodity. It represents the increase or decrease in total cost T corresponding to one unit increase or decrease in production of output. Marginal cost MC is equal to differentiation of TC with respect to output dot. Average revenue AR and marginal revenue MR. Let the number of units sold of a particular commodity is Q. Its market price is equal to P, then, total revenue TR or R of X is given by TR or R is equal to PQ. If demand function P is equal to F of Q, then TR is equal to Q times F of Q. The average revenue AR is revenue earned per unit of output, given by AR is equal to R by Q is equal to PQ by Q, is equal to P is equal to market price. Marginal revenue is the net revenue a business earns by selling an additional unit of its product. Thus, marginal revenue is the change in revenue divided by the change in quantity. Marginal revenue MR is equal to differentiation of TR. Note: marginal revenue is the net revenue a business earns by selling an additional unit of its product, while average revenue refers to revenue earned per output unit. Thus, marginal revenue is the change in revenue divided by the change in quantity, while average revenue is total revenue divided by the number of units sold. Profit functions. If total cost of producing X units of output is C of X, and the total revenue obtained by producing and selling X units of output is R of X, then total profit is total profit pi of X is equal to total revenue R of X minus total cost C of X. Average profit is equal to total profit by total output sold, which is equal to pi of X by X, which can be written as this. Marginal profit is equal to differentiation of pi of X, which can be written as this dot. Break-even analysis. The break-even point is a level of production where the revenue from sales is equal to the total cost of production. At this point, the company makes neither profits nor losses. Thus, at break-even point, R of X is equal to C of X. That is R of X minus C of X is equal to 0. That is P of X is equal to 0. Any of these forms may be used to determine the break-even point. There may be 0, 1 or more than one break-even point. These are the formulas. Example 1. A firm faces the demand curve P is equal to 17 minus 3 QA. Find an expression for TR in terms of QB. Find an expression for MR in terms of Q. Solution: given P is equal to 17 minus 13 Q. Total revenue TR is equal to P times Q. Is equal to 17 minus 13 Q times Q. TR is equal to 17 Q minus 3 Q square. Is equal to differentiation of TR with respect to Q. Is equal to 17 minus 6. Example 2. The total cost C of X associated with producing and marketing X units is given by C of x is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30 x plus 3000. Find A. Total cost when output is 4 units. B. Average cost of output of 10 units. C. Marginal cost when output is 3 units. Solution. Given, C of x is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30 x plus 3000. A. Total cost when output is 4 units. If x is equal to 4, then C of 4 is equal to 0.005, 4 cube minus 0.02, 4 square plus 30, 4 plus 3000, which is 3120 units. B. Average cost of output of 10 units. AC is equal to by x. Substituting the values, we get this. Substituting x is equal to 10, we get 330.3 units. C. Marginal cost when output is 3 units. Substituting the values in the formula and simplifying, we get this. Applying x is equal to 3, we get this. Example 3. A firm's total cost curve is given by TC is equal to Q cube minus 4Q square plus 12Q. Find an expression for AC in terms of Q. Find an expression for MC in terms of Q. When does AC is equal to MC? When does the slope of AC is equal to 0? Solution. Given TC is equal to Q cube minus 4Q square plus 12Q. An expression for AC in terms of Q. Average cost AC is equal to by is equal to TC is equal to Q cube minus 4Q square plus 12Q whole divided by Q. We get this. AC is equal to Q to 4Q plus 12. Find an expression for MC in terms of Q. Marginal cost is D of TC by DQ. Substituting the value of TC and differentiating, we get this. When does AC is equal to MC? Equating AC and MC, we get Q is equal to 2. Thus when Q is 2, AC is equal to MC. When does slope of AC 0? Slope of AC is equal to differentiating AC with respect to Q. We get Q is equal to 2. Thus when Q is 2, slope of AC will be 0. Example 4. A monopolist's demand curve is given by P is equal to 100 minus to P. Find the marginal revenue function. Find the relationship between the slopes of the average revenue and marginal revenue curve. At what price is marginal revenue 0? Solution. Given P is equal to 100 minus to Q. Total revenue TR is equal to PQ. R is equal to 100 minus to Q times Q is equal to 100 Q minus to Q square. MR is equal to of by, which is equal to 100 minus 4Q. AR is equal to by, substituting and simplifying we get 100 minus to Q. Slope of curve MR is equal to differentiating MR with rest to Q, we get minus 4. Slope of curve AR is equal to differentiating AR with respect to Q, we get minus 2. Relationship between curve MR and curve AR. Both are negative and slope of MR is twice the slope of AR. Price at marginal revenue 0 is MR is equal to 100 minus 4Q. When MR is 0, then 100 minus 4Q is equal to 0. This implies Q is equal to 25. That is, when the volume of production is 25 units, MR is 0 and volume of production P is equal to 100 minus to Q. We know AR is equal to P. P is equal to 100 minus to 25 is equal to 50 units.